Hello student, this is Anushka from Inspire with Anushka classes. Guys, today we are going to talk about the nutrition in human. That how we have in the previous video studied about the nutrition in the plants. That is the mode of nutrition is autotrophic because plants are self-food makers. But we human beings and the other organisms are not self-food makers. So that's why we came in the category of heterotrophs. That is, we are dependent upon the plants and autotrophs animals just for gaining our food. It's okay? Okay. So let's go forward from it. Whenever we talk about the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, obviously a thing which comes in our mind that is that obviously pre-prepared food from the process of autotrophic by the plants are being getting by the heterotrophic animals. So heterotrophic mode of nutrition is always dependent upon the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay guys, so in the heterotrophic mode of nutrition we are talking about the human beings. So we take a nutrition in the form of holozoic. We have also discussed about what is holozoic, what is saprophytic, what is parasitic. These all things are mode of nutrition in which previously in the topic whenever we have discussed about the different types of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So in the holozoic mode of nutrition, obviously we human beings takes the food in the three form. That is, we are either we are in the category of omnivorous, that is we are taking the both plants product and animal product both, or we are in the herbivorous. Herbs it means घास फूस जो खाते हैं, जो भी एनिमल्स घास फूस खाते हैं या फिर अपने फीडिंग मैकेनिज्म के अपने नॉरिशमेंट के लिए अपने न्यूट्रिशन गेन करने के लिए प्लांट्स पे निर्भर है, तो उनको हम लोग हर्बीवोरस ग्रुप में रखते हैं. प्रीवियसली हमने डिस्कस किया ओमनीवोरस के बारे में, जिसमें कि प्लांट्स ईट करने वाले यानी घास फूस खाने वाले और एनिमल प्रोडक्ट खाने वाले दोनों तरह के एनिमल्स को हम लोग कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं. तो वैसे टाइप के एनिमल्स को हम लोग रखेंगे ओमनीवोरस में, हर्ब्स खाने वाले को रखेंगे हर्बीवोरस में, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज द कार्निवोरस, जिसमें सिर्फ एनिमल फ्लैश इट मीन्स एनिमल मीट जो एनिमल्स खाते होंगे, जैसे फ्रॉग है, लायन है, जो कि सिर्फ एनिमल प्रोडक्ट ही खा रहे हैं, तो फिर इनको हम लोग रखेंगे कार्निवोरस में. ओके, सो होलोजोइक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन हमेशा तीन तरह के ऑर्गेनिज्म के थ्रू होता है, या तो वो ऑर्गेनिज्म हर्बीवोरस हो या फिर कार्निवोरस हो या फिर ओमनीवोरस हो. ओके, इन द animal nutrition, whenever we talk about the nourishment of animal or the feeding mechanism of animal, obviously we will discuss about the steps, that how the steps of nourishment completes in human beings. So let's talk about the steps, different types of steps which is involved in the process of digestion, or we can say in the process of nutrition in human being. There are 5 steps. The first one is ingestion. In this process, we just take the food with our hands and take it in the mouth, put it in the mouth, and then it goes from the esophagus to our stomach. Then the second important topic is that after the completion of ingestion, the process of digestion starts. The digestion process starts from the stomach because stomach is the storehouse of food. Okay, and from stomach it goes into the small intestine where its breakdown occurs. So what happens in digestion? In digestion process, the injected food is broken down into the simpler form. Then the next process is of absorption. Absorption, it means all the nutrition from that food material, that broken food materials is extracted or absorbed through the process of diffusion by the cells, different cells that are present in the wall of stomach. Hopefully I am trying to teach you all in a very simple language, and I hope that you will understand it. So guys, where the process of digestion completes in the small intestine and stomach. Okay, and the process of absorption always completes in the small intestine. It's a very important question in the MCQs also going to being asked from you all. Maybe in the next coming examination, or whenever you will give examination related to the biology, then this type of questions usually be asked from us, that where the process of digestion and the process of absorption occurs. Then we will put the answer, that is a small intestine. Okay, so the next process after the process of absorption, the next process is assimilation. Assimilation in which the food, the nutrition which is extracted out through the or dissolved in the blood with the help of the cells that is attached to the wall, intestinal wall. So these absorbed nutrition is carried to the different types of body parts through the help of blood, because blood is the connective tissue which always works as a connector between the different organs and supplies the different types of things to the body, different body parts. Okay, so this is the fourth one, this is the second last one, and the last process is of egestion. Egestion, it means excreting out the waste material which is not digested, which is not going to be utilized for our body and which are not important. So we are going to excrete out with the help of what? We have a special organ for these things, that is the large intestine, anus and rectum. So with this, the whole process of nutrition in human completes. So these 5 are the steps of the nutrition in human. The first one is ingestion, the second one is digestion, the third one is absorption, the fourth one is assimilation, and the last one is the egestion. So with these things we came to an end. Hopefully you have liked this video. If you liked it, then please press the like button, share it with your friends, and for more such videos please subscribe my channel Inspire with Anushka. Thank you guys.